Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Brand new boat just came in, super stoked to walk you guys through it. This is our brand new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 270. There's a ton to check out on this boat. Like I said, really excited to walk you guys through it. So we're going to start here on the swim platform. One of my favorite features of the entire Sea Ray lineup is actually going to be sitting here on the swim platform. This is your flip down swim step. So this will flip down, sits a couple feet below the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple. Whether you have your furry friends with you out there on the water or you have your little kids, like I said, just makes getting on and off the boat really, really simple. You still do have your boarding ladder here on the starboard side as well. Really nice and spacious sunbed back here. You will have here on the boat transom and bow spray down, so you're not tracking dirt in and out of the boat. As we move our way into the cockpit, you will notice there is a flip down headrest right here. So you can expand this, really expand your sunbed space right there. And then as we make our way into the cockpit, you're going to have really nice wraparound seating here, L-shaped, as well as a fully functioning power tower. So with a press of a button, this tower will go up and down, whether you need to get it in a under a short bridge or need to fit it in your lift. With a press of a button, makes it really, really, really simple. This boat is also optioned with the teak table package. So here in the cockpit, you will have a teak table, and then you also have one that accents up in the bow. Moving our way to the helm station here, you are going to have your Simrad multifunction display. So this will give you everything from your chart plotter to your depth finder, as well as all of your mercury data. So everything is one touch away right here at your helm station. This boat is going to be powered with a Mercruiser, so you will have your digital throttle and shift. And then obviously all of your manual switches right here. This boat is also optioned with the upgraded stereo system. So this boat has the premium stereo package. So you will have your Fusion audio head unit right here, as well as upgraded speakers throughout the entire boat, as well as your subwoofer. Right in here you will see we have our head compartment. And then moving our way up into the bow of the boat, the SDX is a really special part of the Sea Ray lineup because the beam of the boat actually carries further forward into the bow of the boat, so you get a lot more seating versus other boats in the lineup. So, normally where you'd have room for 2 or 3 people, you have room for 3 to 4, even 5 people up here in the bow, and you will see we have our teak table package. Boat is also optioned with a windlass anchor. So up here you will have your stainless steel anchor as well as your boarding ladder up in the front. Now guys, there is a ton more to check out on this Sea Ray SDX 270. If you'd like to learn more, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, visit us here at MarineMax Lake Lanier in Bald Ridge Marina.